Hi, 여러분 안녕하세요. So this is our Under the Sea DIY kit. Since we launched the Under the Sea candle, it has quite a lot of positive feedback that they wish to create such a nice candle at home as a decoration. So let's see what is in the box. We have the container of Under the Sea. We have 1 gram of fragrance oil, and then seashell, the scent, wax, as well as the instruction of the candle DIY set. Okay. Firstly, we need to boil water to melt the wax. Our DIY kit is without beaker or without any professional use candle melting products to create and DIY your candle at home. So inside of the candle is gel wax with color dye, so which means you don't need to dye your candle anymore. We already put the appropriate amount inside. Okay, so this is the boiled water. What we need to do is place the packet of wax into the boiled water. You can melt your candle while boiling. So place it around 10 to 15 minutes until it becomes a fully liquid foam. Okay, while we are boiling the wax, now this is our container. Take it out from the box. It's all wrapped with the bubble wrap, so no worries about it. And inside we already put the wick. So this is the battery. So you have to push it out, open it, take out the paper, ensure that your LED light is functioning. Okay. So if you want to save battery, then place it back to the battery and close it. Okay. Later part we will take out the sticker. So yeah, battery is replaceable, so no need to worry about that. Okay, so this is the wick. Same thing, peel it off and then stick it in the middle of your container, and you can place a chopstick later part when we pour in the waxes. Okay, so now I will open it up, the stand. So firstly, I will pour the sand according to my preference. I have 2 colors of sand. One is pink color and one is white colors. So it will be according to my preference. I would like to pour a bit of pink here and there. Followed by white color. And then pink color again. It depends on your preference. Same as white color. We will highly recommend finish all the sand. Otherwise, if you accidentally spread it on your floor, it's a bit difficult to clean. Okay, so this is the sand, and then followed by our shell. So you can see there is a thank you sticker over here. So take out your cutter open it. Take out the shell and then place it wherever you wish to. Maybe here. You may also use chopstick if you feel it's too difficult to decorate. You may also use a chopstick. Okay, you can see that I am not really good in using chopstick. So this will be the decoration of my under the sea candle. Okay, after 10 minutes, take out the wax and check whether it becomes liquid or not. So you can see. Okay, so it's already liquid form. So at the same time, be careful and take out the fragrance oil. Pour it into our wax packet. And this step is very important. We have to tighten it and shake around 1 minute. This is to ensure that the wax and the fragrance oil are fully blended. Okay, after 1 minute, use a new chopstick to fix your wick. Ensure it is in the center. Okay. So, in case that your fragrance oil and waxes are not fully blended, you can use a chopstick, quickly stir a few rounds. And now, pour everything into the container. So if in between the item float up, you can use a chopstick to put it back. So now we need to wait the candle to be set. Okay, so while it is half solidified, that you can see the center is still watery. Okay, we can remove our wick. Ensure that it's enough to cover. So this will be our final candle. So you can control your off and on. So off and then on. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed today's DIY lesson. So I will see you in the next DIY class. Bye bye!